there, told y'all I'd be back. I got a few emails about my motivational and inspirational little signs that I had made and put up around my shop. So if y'all are interested in burning some, I'll take a few minutes, show you how I burn them, and show you what signs I've got up here in the shop. Hope you enjoy now. Let's get at it. Yeah. When you're burning on a wood sign, you don't want to breathe in all this, so keep some dust collection or a fan going for you. It helps to lay the sign out, scale it out with a pencil if you're just making a simple sign by tilting the edge of the tool. You can create effects on the letters. It helps to use a wood that has a very wide grain to it. The small grain hardwoods tend to not give you as smooth as a lay when you're burning the wood. As I hope you can see, it's leaving a slight overlap on the burn edge, which I'll be able to take out with some sanding when I'm done burning the sign. And I always look down the sign and eye it to make sure I'm keeping everything nice and straight. I feel like I'm a member of Blue Oyster Cult right now. If y'all didn't get that joke, it just shows how young you are. Yeah. Make sure you keep a fire extinguisher handy whenever you're burning wood. I've got one sitting about a foot away off camera. Never had a problem with it, but you can never be too safe. I've got the fan a little farther away than I normally would have it, so that in hopes it doesn't mess up the audio too terribly. This is a very, very relaxing process and very creative. I get all my wood burning tools from wood crafters. They have a very nice supply and great prices. Keep it in stock all the time. So that's always real nice. See if y'all can see that. I gotta eye it here for a minute. All right, there we go. I've probably got about 15 different tips I use, and I've actually converted a couple of leatherworking tools into some tips for my wood burning. Let me get this sign all finished up, and I'll show you guys a few pictures of the ones that I have around the shop. If you've got some done, I'm showing you mine, so y'all show me yours. I'd love to see them. Alright, let me get this all finished up off camera, and I'll show y'all a bunch of the finished products. Alright, here's another little sign that I'm working on. Same concept. I just love making these little signs for my shop. They keep me really nice and motivated. This particular tip, you can do wide strokes and thin strokes. by simply turning the direction of the tip. Again, keep a fire extinguisher handy at all times, and either have a fan blowing away from you, or like I do, a dust collector cord here. I'm running this without a bag on the little dust collector. I'm not trying to collect any dust. I'm just trying to pull all the smoke from the burning away from me. I don't want to breathe in that stuff. This is really a relaxing and enjoying project. You can do it sitting on your kitchen table. The kids can even do it. You just absolutely want to make sure you're supervising them. Little scraps of wood can be gotten easily at Hobby Lobby. I'm not certain if Hobby Lobby sells the wood burning tools, but my best spot and favorite spot to get them is from Wood Crafters, either at one of their local stores or on their website. They have a very vast selection. And yes, I'm still burning for you. As you can see, when I turn the tip, I get a smaller line. When I turn in the second direction, I can get a bigger line. The little hearts are done, again, with a leather working tool that I tacked a little end on so I could put it in the burner. Y'all give this a try if you get a chance. I use these bigger tips because I kind of like the rustic look that I get. I don't think anybody's ever told you to go have fun burning up something, but give it a try. I think you'll really enjoy it. Don't forget, y'all, give me a subscription and that nice big thumbs up. Really like to know that you enjoy the videos. Sorry if I'm concentrating a little too much here on what I'm doing. I'm trying to talk and concentrate and breathe and think all at the same time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Sometimes you do it once, sometimes you just gotta do it again. Y'all give this a try. I think you'll really like it. Remember, every now and then, eye down your sign. Even though you wrote it nice and straight on the wood, the burning can sometimes get out of line. This particular tip is one of my favorites for signs, like I said, because I can get the small lines and the large lines. When I get a little close to my error there, it tends to cool off the tip a little too much. Okay, we're going to take a minute. Sorry for the noise of the tools, but show you how to put a nice little rustic quick edge on a sign. No measurements. Don't want any kind of uniformity, just a rough, rustic sort of look is what I'm trying to get. Got it. Okay, we gave it a little sanding with some 150 and 220. 320. Now we're going to put about 4 coats of a spray lacquer on it. This dye is my favorite. Very quick drying, very nice. Can't say enough good stuff about them. The edges soak in the most, like on all wood. Oh, got that in line there for you. Oops, a little out of camera. Okay. There we go. We'll let that dry, sand it down with some 4/0 steel wool. Put about 4 coats on it, and it's good to go. Alrighty, got it all finished. Wound up only going with 3 coats of lacquer on it. And hope y'all can see that little sanded rough edge there. Like I say, it makes a real nice finish. This is just a quick, easy, fast. I don't like the lettering to be too perfect on these. I like them to look rustic. And please forgive me if I'm kind of in a bad mood right now. I've got a tool missing. Hey there! Sure hoped you enjoyed my wood signs. I get a kick out of them. They inspire me a lot. I would sure be greatly appreciated and truly honored if y'all would subscribe and like the video. I've got a lot more coming out, and I'll show you some more fine wood burning, some little detailed work I've done that's turned out very nicely, plus my epoxy resin castings. And I put a video out a few days ago or a while back on my complete shop tour. It's a bit long, but it's well worth the watch. It's very detailed and very informing, so please subscribe, check them all out. Just give me that like, that big thumbs up. I really like them. And I'll see y'all here shortly on the next one. Take care now.